I want to start by saying this is not a sponsored video. We bought and paid for everything I'm going to talk about. But I do have a TEMU affiliate link that I'll link below where I might get a small commission if it's used. Well, that aside, I'm Anna. Let's talk budget finds. I'm in our outdoor space, but this applies to any family room, rec room, or snug. Our TV is mounted on the wall here, just kind of floating on its own, and I wanted a table underneath to ground and pull the space together. So I thought, why not give TEMU a try? I've been seeing more and more furniture popping on their website, and the prices look good, so this is what we ordered. It's a simple, modern black table. It's 63 inches long, 32 inches tall, and just under 11 inches deep. It's wider than the TV, which I think is important for a balanced look. And I think the bevel sloping sides look cool. Now for a little unboxing. Box weighs 60 pounds and is easier to move with two people, but one person can totally move it by themselves if they are stronger than me. First, I have to say the box came in good condition, no damaged corners, a promising start. Once open, there's a good amount of styrofoam packing. I filled up a black garbage bag, and it's very neatly and tightly packed. There's no room for pieces shifting during transit. It came with instructions which were decent, an 8 out of 10. Lots of screws and bits, but they were individually labeled in sections in this red plastic bag. I like that. Easy to find the pieces. 10 out of 10 for the divided and labeled red bag. The instruction says you need 2 people to put the table together. I honestly think Ralph could assemble this on his own, but it was quicker with me helping out. All the pieces were in good condition. In the end, I did find one corner with damage, but that could have been us. It's not a solid wood table, obviously, but the finish has a wood grain similar to oak. It's not matte, but more like a satin finish. I have to say the finish is really smooth. It'll be easy to dust and to wipe clean. You are provided with an Allen key that has a screwdriver head on one end. It wasn't very comfortable to use and felt short and awkward. We opted for a power screwdriver as much as possible. A drill or impact driver would be way too powerful, and I feel it could split the pressed wood. Assembly went much quicker than I expected. Insert a metal circle thingy into a pre-drilled hole, then screw the corresponding screw in, add some wood dowels and more screws. It flew along. I actually was saying that out loud to Ralph, and immediately Murphy's Law paid a visit. The front panel was a pain. The right side fit perfectly on the first try. The left took longer to align than all the other pieces combined. It just wouldn't close that 45-degree gap. Ralph fiddled quite a bit and eventually got it as close as possible. You can't notice that there's still a slight gap once it's in the room, and that's the corner where there's a little chip. I'm just going to color it in with a black Sharpie, and I don't think anyone will notice. I did want to show that the back side is open. There is no back panel. The way it's designed, it looks like there are shelves on the back. I guess if you wanted to have some tech hidden back there, they have ledges to rest on. So it has to go against a wall or a couch. All in all, once assembled, it's a nice modern piece of furniture. The only part of the design I think could improve is that the screws on the inside legs are really obvious. I understand the screws are necessary, but if they were inset deeper with a little cap, it would give a more polished look. It's not heirloom furniture, but for a family room or rec space, I give it 9 out of 10 and would definitely recommend to others. For around $150, it's a nice piece at a good value. In the description, I'll link the table and include my TEMU code, where a small commission may be earned if you want to support our channel. Thanks! The TV above the console is like 13 years old, I think, over 13. And it was a smart TV back then. The picture quality is still so good, and it is a nice but now dumb TV. Instead of buying a new smart TV, we bought an on-media streamer. We got the HD version. The TV does not support 4K, so HD is fine. For under $40, this little device is a simple, basic, and easy to use solution. The remote has a YouTube button, along with Netflix, Disney, and Paramount. Convenient and quick. The interface is clean and simple, exactly what I want when I'm settling down to relax. Well, this is my TEMU table, built and styled. I don't think anyone coming into this room is going to think, TEMU. Do you agree? Comment below. Well, there's an F1 race on this weekend, so I'm gonna gather up some snacks and enjoy my new setup. Thanks so much for watching. Links will be in the description, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! And I forget what I'm gonna say next. This is my new TEMU table. Oh, my ears are popping because it's like crazy allergy time right now, so ooh, sometimes I sound weird to myself. Oh. And I'm tired for some reason. Gosh. Whew. I think I did that. Finally. Good. Okay. It is the weekend. Actually, it's Friday. And Ralph and I both have the day off. So that's kind of awesome.